Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Sorry again for my voice. I think I have a bit of a head cold and I've been losing my voice, but today we're going to clean out my refrigerator and get it all cleaned out before I do my grocery haul the next day. Today is actually Thursday. I'm filming this video, and it's actually Mother's Day as I'm doing this voiceover, so happy Mother's Day to all of you moms out there. I hope you enjoy the video. I probably won't do too much talking because of my voice, so I hope you enjoy, and happy Mother's Day.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, we're sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Got the boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can't blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight before we all grow old. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, oh, oh. just wasting time. But I don't wanna let it go. I don't wanna let it go. And I know that I might not be fine, but I will never let it go. No, I will never let it go. So don't tell me how I should be. How I should. All we want is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following the heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Act like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Don't wanna be like you. I thought you loved me. Ooh, I honestly thought that you loved me. So why would you make me go to stupid parties with your homies? When you know I'm way too shy to function right. When you know I'll probably mess up your night, baby. Ooh, I really need for you to save me. 'Cause right now everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I don't wanna talk to anybody. I don't wanna know your hobby, so I'll wait down in the lobby, then head home. And I know you wanted me to meet your friends, but I'm so tired of trying to play pretend. Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I made myself clear, or at least I thought I made myself clear. When we met, that I got severe social anxiety, one of many fears that you don't get. And I know you don't want me to end up alone. But if tonight is just for sure, I'm much better off all on my own. So baby, ooh, I really need for you to save me. Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I don't wanna talk to anybody. I don't wanna know your hobby, so I'll wait down in the lobby, then head home.
Okay, I wanted to apologize right now for this, what you're gonna see. I am so embarrassed to show you this. It is so bad. I was not expecting it to be that bad down there. But note to self, you need to deep clean your refrigerator a lot more often. I clean my refrigerator, but evidently I don't do a very good job or something, because it was really bad. But we're gonna get it all cleaned out, and it looks so much better.
Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I don't wanna talk to anybody. I don't wanna know your hobby, so I'll wait down in the lobby, then head home. baby.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on lingering.
Okay, now we're gonna get everything back in here, and I'm just gonna say there might have been a few cuss words going on when I was trying to get this drawer back in, because it did not want to go in. So I got it back in, but it was a bit of a struggle, but we got it all cleaned up and putting everything back now, and it looks so much better. So we're gonna finish cleaning out the rest of this refrigerator and put everything back.
And all the red lights keep on driving and driving. From a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends
friends with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really have bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Okay, I am all done with the refrigerator. Here it is. It looks so much better. I did not realize it was that bad underneath there. It's kind of embarrassing how it looked. But note to self, clean your refrigerator out a lot more. I should say like deep clean your refrigerator out a lot more. But here is everything. I kind of rearranged some stuff. Cleaned everything out as you've seen. So I got everything here. It's like super clean now. This is a pork butt. It is for Mother's Day this Sunday. And today is Thursday. So it looks so much better. These stickers here are from my Cricut I made, and I just put them on here just to try to keep things a little bit more organized. This might be a little tight for the hair, but I don't know, we'll see. This was a little hard getting it back in here, so. And then here is this drawer. I don't know how well this stuff's gonna work either, but trying to keep things organized. This is for my girls for their lunches. Cheese and the bacon bits here, I get those from Sam's Club. And then a lunch meat and everything, and then the sliced cheese, and then this one was empty. I just went ahead and left it in here just in case, because tomorrow I will be going grocery shopping. And then here is all of the condiments. We have a whole bunch. My husband uses a lot of this. Those back there, my husband's. This is my husband's. He's got a lot of stuff. And then here is all of this stuff. This is my husband's stuff. And then this stuff here. And then this is from Aldi's. It's actually really good. We have teriyaki and the other stuff here. But this stuff is really good. And then I just have the pineapple up there. So it looks so much better. So we're going to go ahead and tackle the freezer, which is not as bad as the refrigerator. Pretty much I have to do is like kind of organize things a little bit. I need to wipe this down here, and I will be done here in the freezer because it's not actually that bad. So we're going to go ahead and start tackling this freezer here. Like I said, it's not actually that bad. There's not that much stuff in here, but we're gonna just go through it, wipe it down, and see what all is in here that I can throw away or put in our freezers out in our garage. Okay, now we are going to tackle the freezer, which was not as bad as my refrigerator. I apologize again on the refrigerator. It looked really bad. So we're going to tackle the freezer here, and it didn't take me as long either. There is a spot right there, if you can see it, on the door of the freezer that I get wiped down. But we're going to tackle this freezer and get it all cleaned out and organized.
You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in had to change your mind. For love or pity, let me know. Not now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like
Okay, now we are done here. I hope this video got you motivated to get up and organize your refrigerator. Just make sure you do some deep cleaning on it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. And also, I want to wish a happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
oh,